Hey everybody, this is Melina from Me Crafty Scrapper. I was going to come to you today and show you what we got in our Felicity Jane subscription box this month. If you are a subscriber, you know that we were on hiatus for about 2 months while the company and the owner of the company moved states. So we have been anxiously anticipating this new kit. So I just took it out of the box, and this was what was on the inside of that box. We always get a beautiful little card, and it just gives usually an inspirational quote thanking us for ordering it from the owner. Now, I have never really gotten the correct pronunciation on her name. I want to call her Jeana, but I'm sure it's Jeana. So either way, thank you so much for this beautiful kit and for this lovely extra. We don't usually get a pouch in the kit, but this was her thank you for us being so patient with her moving and getting the new digs set up. So we got a pouch this month. It's got her beautiful logo there in gold with a gold zipper and her signature black and white stripe fabric on the inside with a pocket. Very pretty. It's about 9 by 7, the size on that. Cute. And it's a really nice, durable, almost like a faux leather kind of feel to it. Awesome. All right, and then we got these flocked sticker shapes. Aren't those cute? And then the stamp set. Very pretty. Love that font. Those are pretty. All right. I'll go through these two things last. They take a little bit longer to go through. Oh, we got these tassel bows. Those are really cute. And then some puffy stickers. Darling. They're a good thickness. Work really well in scrapbooking. Okay. And there's usually hearts of some kind in the kit always. And that's great because I love hearts. So let me get these open for you. We'll show these to you. Whoop, there they go. Okay, so we got wood grain. Let me get close in here for you, get it to focus. Some wood grain and some mint and floral outline. Like an emerald green with a white dot, and a mustard with a white dot, gold stripe, pale pink, pink with hearts in the heart, some more emerald green, and a light aqua, and then a little scallop, mint green with a polka dot, another black stripe, well, another stripe that's a black stripe, that one was a gold stripe, and then two solid gold ones. So very pretty. Chipboard. And they vary in thickness. That's something a little unusual. Like this wood grain one is really thin, but then the next, that floral, is a little thicker. So you got all kinds of thicknesses with those chipboard shapes. Oh, there's one hiding in here. Oh, there's There's even more hiding in here. I didn't get them all out. Okay, a few more. That one is like my most favorite one. Ooh, and then like a really light lavender, a polka dot, black and white, and then a coral color. So those were hiding in the package. And yet another one fell out. Gracious. Lots of hearts this month. Yay. Okay, and then we've got, and some of mine have come up off of their resting place. So I'll have to fix that. Oh, gracious. They're all over the place on that side, too. But it is a chipboard, white chipboard alphabet. And they're pretty big, too. I compare these in size to thickers. If you have thickers that you bought at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, Joann's, I compare these in size to thickers. All right, now the cards. You get these 3x4 cards. You'll have to forgive me. I'm trying a new way of videoing. My phone is pretty much out of storage, so I'm using my iPad, and of course it won't connect to my arm mount like my phone does. So I've got this on a shelf above my desk, and I'm standing and doing this. So just something else to get used to. All right, we've got scallop, and on the backs of every one of these, you're going to have a dot grid or a grid. I'll show you the grid in just a minute. There's a black and white scallop. Home Sweet Home. Still dot grid. Pretty dots. There's your grid. Little details. Real life moments. That's cute. It's like cross stitch. Today. And more black and white dot. And some colorful stripes. Loving the place. That's cute. A little floral to match. And that one is darling. Okay, there's your 3x4 cards. And then your die cuts, I'll go over them here. This month, the name of the kit, every month it's a girl's name. This month it's the owner's name, Jeana, whichever way. Right now, I hope that she comments on this and says, hey, you weirdo, pronounce my name right. Here's how you pronounce it. Okay, that shows you what's in there. So you've got Bloom written out. I'll show you. Get these. Here she is. Ain't she cute? Too cute. I'll get just a couple more out because you've seen on the back what they all are. Look at there. Very cute. Love grows here. So cute. Oh, this one. I got to show you this one. There's a lot that's just like tabs and things like that, but look at that. So pretty. So that's what's all in there. Got a succulent there. Little tabs and tags. More hearts. Some hexagons. Cute, cute, cute. All right, now the papers. You get 12x12 papers in every kit. This is a scrapbooking kit. And this beautiful floral. It's got mustard and pinkish, as she calls it, and like an emerald green. And on the back side, you've got a little floral design. Okay, and then you've got a mint wood grain. And then like a half sunburst. And then that cute diagonal stripe, the colors that's in the kit. And then little doodly polka dot. That's cute. Little grid pattern with the pinkish colors, a couple of different shades of the pinkish. That's different. And then swirly polka dot. I like that. And then you have a pale pink, that pinkish with a little faint polka dot, doodle dot on the back. And then you've got a diagonal black and white stripe. This is very pretty. I love that. Variegated or ombre. And then the, ooh, oh my. Decisions on using this paper, because I love that too. Okay, and then you get solids that are double-sided. So that's a mint, and then an emerald, and then a corally pink, and a mustardy, canary mustard, I would call that. And then you have the scallops at the bottom. I forgot to show you on the bottoms of each one of these papers, you also have that little bar at the bottom that you can use differently. See, that's got a, that neat. Home Sweet Home, very cute. Then a little pale stripe, and then a little mint polka dot stripe. So I am truly loving the colors in this new, I'm going to go to my one that I was saying that I don't know which one I'm going to, look at that, how pretty. This new Felicity Jane kit. Love it, love it, love it. And I hope to be doing some videos of projects I'll be doing with this. So cute. All of this is so cute. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and y'all have a blessed day. Bye.